In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix wish lists that doesn't show up on your U page on your Temu app. So all you have to do is follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. So if you want to fix your wish list that don't show up on your Temu app, first thing we want to do is to go directly to our phone settings. So we want to go to settings. Now in the settings page, we want to go and find apps. So here in our apps page, we want to scroll down until we find Temu. Now that we've found Temu, we want to tap on Temu and tap on force stop and tap OK. So this basically resets your Temu app. So now we want to go to storage and clear the app's cache. After we have done that, we want to go to Play Store and find Temu. So basically on your screen, this will show us update, and you just want to update your Temu app. So after that, your problem will be fixed. That's how simple and easy it is. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.